Hi, welcome back to ShotokuTech. Yeah, we configured the Thinknode G4 Wi-Fi HaLow gateway, and we also configured the Elecrow ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow camera module. That's the guide for it right there. And then, the next thing I'm 3D printing cases for putting the camera on the rocket. Seemed like the next best thing to do. The rocket launch was coming up, and well, here it goes. All right, it's a beautiful Saturday morning, August 15th, 2026, Southern Arizona Rocketry Association launch. Got about 18 flyers today. Someone's going to certify level 1, and I'm going to fly my Wi-Fi HaLow camera on a rocket out here. All right. Okay, so I get out in the field, and it seems to me like the Wi-Fi gateway won't come up unless it can connect to the Wi-Fi network that it was originally configured with. Something I hadn't thought of. I thought it would work by itself, but it just never came on. So what I'm thinking of doing is we'll have to come back next month, and I'm going to set up my phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. The difficulty is right now I'd have to reconfigure it in the field, and I'm not going to do that. All right, next month. It comes down to step 2 of the access point configuration, and this is whether or not you're connected to your home Wi-Fi or some other internet source. So yeah, I didn't understand that this none, it says HaLow and non-HaLow networks will be isolated from each other, but that's not quite the case. It's just not connected to any other network. That's what that means. So I didn't understand that originally. So if you're hooked up to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, your gateway is going to have a dependency upon that. So you see here, I've gone back through the wizard. Yeah, this is the wizard section here. And I went through the standard Wi-Fi HaLow setup. I don't want to do a mesh. I just want standard Wi-Fi HaLow. And so what I did do is I configured it as none. So I'm not connected to the home Wi-Fi or or a hotspot or anything like that. I was thinking I could put a hotspot on my phone and connect to it, but I don't have any need to connect to the internet. I just want to transmit video. Yeah, you see I'm not connected to the internet at all here. I just want to transmit video from the ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow device to the gateway and view it on my LAN. So you see on the access point side, you can see my PC's hooked up and has an IP address. On the HaLow side, you can see my ESP32 camera device is connected and has an IP address. So this is a good scenario. Yeah, see, so I go to the camera and it's working. So this is exactly what I needed in the field last Saturday instead of not being able to hook up to my home Wi-Fi. Yeah, the gateway just would not start up out in the field because it's looking for the Wi-Fi. Yeah, this is cool too. If you're connected via serial port on the camera, you can see the latency, the size of the packet, and the frames per second. So we're getting about 14, 15 frames per second there. It's that interesting. The latency is very interesting. Anyway, yeah, leave a comment down below. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my Wi-Fi HaLow playlist, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.